So I've been running this diesel heater for a couple of days now. It definitely makes this big shop better, but it really doesn't cut it as far as, you know, making it comfortable. I have a second heater I'm gonna try running. And then I also have some radiators here. I'm gonna try sending the exhaust through these radiators, and I'm gonna see if it can actually pull more heat out of it. This is just like an old heater core, something like that. This is a radiator from a car. It has a leak somewhere, but I'll send it through here and see what it does. I have a carbon monoxide detector, so I'm not too much at risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Got this big radiator here. This is our contraption. Let's see how this one does. So this thing is starting up, starting to warm up.
More than this last one.
So this radiator is actually not totally empty. There's a little bit of antifreeze at the bottom. We are melting the plastic. This radiator was not meant to get this hot. So this is another fail. This does not work. Don't even waste your time. Okay, so this heater is just warming up. We can see what's going on here. This is pulling out the heat. Calibrating, 1 second. 44 degrees right there. 100 degrees right there. So this thing, I'm finding it's too small. It heats up really, really fast, and it really doesn't pull a lot of heat out of it. Plus my fittings are leaking exhaust, and so I'm gonna say that this kind of works. I think these tubes are too low though, because it's causing it to leak out of there. Causing it to leak smoke out of there. So yeah, this one is definitely a fail. This doesn't really work quite right. Piece of crap, doesn't even work. It's getting late, so I don't have time to film the rest of this. Yeah, the radiator idea is kind of cool, but it's not really very practical. At best, you might get another 1 kilowatt out of the exhaust heat if you have a radiator. Honestly, I recommend just getting a whole another heater and just running 2 of them, because, you know, 1 kilowatt's really not a lot, because these are 8 kilowatt each, and these are pretty efficient, and they're not very expensive. So if you're really wanting more heat, just get another heater. Don't waste your time with the radiator idea. It is not going to work for you.